Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of WhatsApp. You will go here to settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will scrolling down until you find here WhatsApp and you will enter. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. And then we'll update your app if you find updates. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.